Natural changes to the Earth's surface. There are all kinds of things that contribute to changes of the Earth's surface. Some changes are due to fast processes, such as landslides, volcanic eruptions, and earthquakes, just to give a few examples. Other natural changes to the Earth's surface are due to slow processes, such as weathering and erosion. Today we will be focusing on weathering, which is the process where rock is dissolved, worn away, or broken down into smaller pieces. This is different to erosion. Erosion is the movement of rock pieces from one place to another by natural forces, such as wind, water, and ice. There are three kinds of weathering: physical, chemical, and biological. We will be focusing on physical weathering, which is a type of weathering that occurs when rock and other landforms are broken down by physical factors in the environment. This includes wind, water, sun, ice, and a temperature change. Some of the most common forms of physical weathering are frost wedging, temperature change, wind, and water. First up, frost wedging. Rocks can have small cracks, and when it rains, water can enter these cracks. During the night, temperatures drop, causing the water to freeze within the cracks. During the day, the temperature rises, causing the water to melt. This cycle continues until enough pressure on the rock causes pieces to break off. Temperature change. As temperatures rise and fall, rocks and the ground will heat up and expand, or cool down and contract. This cycle will cause cracks in the top layers of soil and rocks. Wind can contribute to physical weathering of a rock by blowing water or small particles such as sand against rock. The rock breaks down into smaller pieces or slowly wears away. Water can also wear away at rocks, and one example of this is the action of waves. As waves continually crash or press against landforms, caves form, and the landform slowly breaks away. An example of this is the London Bridge in the Port Campbell National Park along the Great Ocean Road, Victoria. Due to weathering conditions, these limestone cliffs gradually formed caves, which then became arches, which in time collapsed. This process has left limestone rock stacks up to 50 metres high along the coastline of Victoria. So, the natural process of physical weathering, such as wind, water, sun, ice, and temperature change, can have quite an impact on the changes to our Earth's surface.